This is an Assa guideline that I got off of Decoder on Discord. I don't have to pick the sidebar on this one. I mean, it's in there, unless this is a certain model, but I'm sure you wouldn't have marked it if it wasn't. But it's in there, but it doesn't look like this thing's ever been taken apart. Or if it was taken apart, whoever put it back together was really good with those stupid brass rings. But try to get into it. Lock tools, 39,000. Start out with the number 4 from the Reaper set. 2, 3, 4, 6, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Jimmy Long's Deep Reach, 19 thousandths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something's going on. I did something wrong. Four, 5, 6, 2, 3. Some of those aren't clicks, some of those are me slipping off the wording. 1, 2, 3, 6. And 4 opened it up. It was just, it's number 4 is a really high set pin, so you got to go in there and actually get it. But that is the Assa guideline. I'm not really worried about not having to pick the sidebar on this one, because I've had an Assa guideline where you actually did have to pick the finger pins. So, but I bought it, so we're making videos about it. There it is.